In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize pipeline stages in Pipedrive. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Deals tab over here on the left, and then you want to go and select the name of your pipeline you want to work with. So I have 3 of them. I'm just going to go with this tutorial pipeline over here, and when you open it, you want to click on this pen icon next to it, and there we go. This is where you can basically customize your pipeline stages. So by default, of course, they have names that you've given them, and if you want to change these, you can just click on names anywhere, and as you can see, it's going to say like intro call completed. I could just rename this and for example, like change it to intro completed, and that way I can just click on save changes, and you'll be able to see that it's going to change it just like that over here. Okay, so that's kind of how you can customize these, and if you want to add them, of course, you can go to this pen button, you can click on these plus buttons over here, which is going to add new stages. You can delete stages if you want to. You can go and change probabilities. You could basically set routing in days. You could like do a bunch of different things in here. Okay, so this is the screen where you can customize these, and then when you're ready, just click on save changes and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.